Now stay tuned for PTG TV's Pulse on America, where we bring you the latest in educational, consumer, sports, and business information that's right for your lifestyle.
Welcome to this edition of Pulse on America. I'm Wayne Stofsky. The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency estimates that every year in each county across the nation, the amount of untreated sewage that enters the environment is enough to fill both the Empire State Building and Madison Square Garden. And according to the Natural Resources Defense Council, each year 1.8 million to 3.5 million illnesses are caused by swimming in sewage-contaminated water, with an additional 500,000 illnesses caused by drinking contaminated water. To speak with us today on what we can do to clean our waters are Brett Bebo, Managing Director of the Miami River Commission, and Sophie Mastriano, Managing Director of Water Management Technology. Welcome.
Thank you very much.
Brett, 4 million illnesses are caused each year by contaminated water. Aren't there systems in place to prevent that?
Well, the public and the private sectors are taking great strides in addressing the leading pollution source on the Miami River, an antiquated stormwater and sanitary sewer system. But because the Miami River flows through the urban core of the city of Miami, we will always have some level of stormwater runoff, which will include styrofoams and plastics that never degrade. And that is why the Scavenger's depollution vessel services are so critical in capturing that floatable debris while injecting oxygen and removing E. coli and bacteria through a decontamination system.
Sophie, your company, Water Management Technologies, has manufactured a special kind of boat called the Scavenger that helps rid the water of trash and other pollutants. How does it do this?
The Scavenger was designed to clean up and rejuvenate watercourses in order to recreate healthy and safe environments. It simultaneously performs decontamination, oxygenation, bulky waste, and debris collection from the water.
Does it use chemicals to decontaminate the water?
Absolutely not. The Scavenger does not use any type of chemicals during the decontamination process.
How exactly does the Scavenger work?
It's driven by one operator. And as the split bow opens from the center of the vessel and sinks into the water, the propeller is then engaged and the 10,000 gallons of water goes through the vessel. First step is bulk, waste, and debris collection, which happens through the help of a wire basket, which dumps its basket into a containment bin. And then the water enters a decontamination chamber and is then reoxygenated and decontaminated, and the clean water comes out at the end of the vessel.
Brett, the Scavenger is currently being used to clean the river and the Bayside Marina near Biscayne Bay. How successful has this been?
The decontamination services provided by the Scavenger have been tremendously successful. Thus far, it has already removed millions of cubic feet of floatable debris, injected millions of liters of oxygen into the water, while removing E. coli and other bacteria through a decontamination system that treats 10,000 gallons of river water every minute.
Sophie, what does the current research show in how effective the Scavenger is?
Our research shows dramatic improvement in water quality through the help of our OxyPlus decontamination system. We eliminate and oxidize harmful bacteria and viruses as well as cysts. We also raise the dissolved oxygen level present in the water by injecting 150,000 liters of oxygen per hour. We also remove and oxidize any harmful chemicals that may cause bad odors, colors, or taste in the water.
Is it true the Scavenger can also be used in firefighting?
Yes, the Scavenger is equipped with a firefighting cannon located at the back of the vessel. It produces 1,000 gallons of water per minute and is able to fight fires very adequately. We also have in the rear of the vessel what we call a rear deflector that lowers down and helps maneuver the boat around 360 degrees in place, and also helps the boat in cleanup in those hard to reach areas.
That is all the time we have for today. Brett, Sophie, thank you for joining me.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yes, I'm Wayne Stofsky.
Be sure to tune in at 24 or 54 minutes past the hour for more Pulse on America stories. Stay tuned. CNN Headline News is next.